Let us talk for a few minutes about young people hunting, because hunting is one of the safest and oldest outdoor recreational and family activities in North America today. Thanks to the dedicated members of the firearms community in Ontario, we have developed what is considered to be one of the finest firearms and hunter safety programs available to apprentice hunters in North America. A youth pheasant hunt is a clear and natural extension of these programs. Many partners have come together to assure the most successful launch of this new initiative. Our partners have included local outdoors groups, stewardship councils, agencies, private and corporate members.
Nice shot!
Safe hunting is no accident. Firearms incidents and accidents have proven to decline and are almost non-existent since implementation of the hunter education programs. Successful introduction and retention of new hunters ensures the sustainability of hunting in Ontario for generations to come. Hunting responsibility starts with a decision to participate in this traditional heritage activity. Many argue that hunting is a natural instinct and a necessary engagement with nature, resulting in an unbreakable respect and regard for wildlife and the world they live in. Most importantly, conservation as we know it today is a direct result of the commitment that hunters have made to wildlife and their habitats.
Good job, boys. Wait for that bird to get up. Good job, man. That's what we want.
Starting with the Fingal Youth Pheasant Hunt, a successful model was developed that has proved to be a win-win for every participant. It has provided a logical extension for new hunters to participate in a mentored, real-life hunting opportunity in a controlled and safe environment. This has allowed committed mentors to provide an educational and structured hunt while transferring knowledge and experience to our next generation of hunters. The mentored youth hunts provide an excellent opportunity to revisit key messages, including social and moral obligations, safety and ethics of the hunt, as well as practice and developing skills. Involvement with a youth pheasant hunt ensures that our hunting traditions and legacies will continue. As much as we all appreciate the rewards of the hunt, apprentices learn that the harvest is not the only reason that we hunt. They learn that we hunt for the privilege of enjoying the outdoors. We hunt as a social activity. We hunt to share quality time with friends and family. We hunt to add food to the table. We hunt to enjoy the dog working as a result of our own hard work and training and love. We hunt to learn more about wildlife and nature. We hunt to get away from day-to-day life, to find peace of mind as a diversion. And we learn the interdependence of nature and mankind.
Hey, we're eating supper.
Pull.
I think you got that one.
Pull. 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 Pull.